Hi, I'm Toby and I'm a programmer at XR Games. I joined in June of 2021 and I've been here for about 15 months. So I saw the position posted on LinkedIn and I saw that it really suited my skill set. So I looked at the website and I saw what XR Games is all about and I was like, yep, that's what I want to do. And then I applied, went through the regular interview process and managed to get it. So as a programmer, my day-to-day job is obviously programming, but that's also involving how that fits in with the team. So if artists are working on specific things, I need to know how I can implement those and how they affect my code, and also which tasks have the highest priority and which one I should be working on before which. So the thing I really like about working at XR Games is that I'm responsible for coming up with my own solutions to problems. So when I'm given a task, nobody's telling me exactly how to do it. I get to be creative and figure out how to do it. But at the same time, there's also a load of support, which is really great. I think the main hurdle to overcome when trying to get into the game industry is being like your own worst critic and putting your work down too much and saying you're not good enough, you can't do it. Whereas really you're going to miss every shot you don't take, so you just have to try, put yourself out there, and you can do it. You just got to believe in yourself.